Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute.
You can also use these window frames as a base for creating seasonal decorations. For instance, during the holidays, add some festive lights, ornaments, or greenery to the frames to create a cozy holiday atmosphere, like this fall display that I have. Now, let's talk about making a one-of-a-kind wall mirror. Just attach a mirror to the back of the window frame, and voila! You have a stunning statement piece for any room in your home. Lastly, consider turning your rustic frame into a chalkboard. Just attach a piece of the chalkboard to the back of the frame, and you have a charming and useful addition to your kitchen or entryway. Take your chalk and write a to-do list for your husband. Thank you for joining me today. That's all I have for today. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. You can write notes to your husband to say, do it all. I can't write. 1, 2, Texas hat. Turn your window frame.